TechnoIllustrator. Adjusting color. Learn. Steps. Step 1. Open Windows Live Photo Gallery. Click on Start. All Programs. Windows Live Photo Gallery. Or click on the shortcut on your desktop. Step 2. Open up your folder. Open the folder where you have saved your photos in. To do this, click on File, Include Folder, and the folder you wanted to open. Step 3. Choose an image. Double-click the photo you want to edit. Select Fine Tune to edit. Step 4. Adjust image color. On your right corner, select Adjust Color. Adjust all of the sliders to your right. Step 5. Save your file. To save, click on Close File. This will automatically save the changes you have made before closing the image.